Let's learn count function. Count function in Excel is used to count the number of cells within a specified range that contain numbers or dates. It does not count empty cells or cells with text. The syntax for the count function is as follows. Equals count, value 1, value 2. Let's break down each component of the count function. Value 1, value 2, these are the values or cell references you want to count. You can include multiple values or cell references separated by commas. Each value or reference can be a number, date, or a cell reference that contains a number or date. Here's an example to illustrate the usage of the count function. Suppose you have a dataset of sales records as mentioned in table. To count the number of cells that contain numbers in column A, you can use the following formula. Equals count, A1, A5. In this example, A1, A5 represents the range of cells you want to count. Result, the formula will return the count of cells with numbers, which is 4 in this case. If you want to count multiple ranges, you can include them as separate arguments within the count function. For instance, equals count, A1, A5, C1, C5, E1, E5, this formula will count the number of cells containing numbers in ranges A1, A5, C1, C5, and E1, E5. The count function is useful when you need to determine the number of cells with numeric values within a range. It is commonly used in data analysis, reporting, and various other tasks in Excel. I hope this helps you understand the count formula in Excel. To learn such more powerful tool for searching and retrieving data from tables based on specific criteria, please follow my LinkedIn page. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in next video.